Meet Lucy, a small-town baker with big dreams. She dreamt of owning a world-renowned bakery. Lucy started baking with her grandmother at 10. Her passion turned into a skill over years. One day, she stumbled upon a baking contest. The grand prize, a scholarship to a culinary school. Lucy baked tirelessly, perfecting her secret recipe. The contest attracted bakers from across the globe. Judges were amazed by Lucy's cake's unique flavor. She won the scholarship and trained professionally. After graduation, Lucy opened her first bakery. Her shop quickly became famous for innovative pastries. Food bloggers and critics praised her creations. Soon, celebrities were flocking to taste Lucy's delights. Lucy expanded her brand to 5 major cities. Now, her bakery empire is internationally celebrated.